All right, today is Easter, so we're going to try and get through this one quickly. Day 7 of 100 days of Zero to Builder, learning how to code as AI with your assistant. We're going to talk about using AI to debug code. Over here, I have some code that I have written that specifically has an error in it. Basically, it compares a string to an integer. You can't do that when you're comparing two like symbols. You have to, or two like variables, they have to be like. You can't compare an integer to a string. Not directly. You have to do some magic to make that happen. But the point of this is to use AI to troubleshoot this problem with a known issue. In Cursor, I could simply take this error message, feed it into my prompt, and it will help me troubleshoot this problem. Or I can ask it, can you help me troubleshoot this code? One of the things I would also suggest, if you're not using Cursor, you can take the code, take the error message, feed it into your AI assistant, and ask the same question. Most modern AI solutions, especially for code, and especially code this simple, will help you solve it. Remember to ask the questions of why it's not working, not just to allow the AI to fix the code. For you to understand what you're doing, you need to understand why the code failed in the first place, because it matters when you go to troubleshoot more difficult problems. So going into troubleshooting this particularly, Cursor did not find the error message right away. It's asking to add some error handling, which is actually really good processing for helping to troubleshoot. It said the syntax looks correctly. So this is an interesting thing. I had ChatGPT write this code with the error message in it, and Cursor isn't finding the message right away, so we'll have it update the code. So before, I think I only said, can you help troubleshoot this code, and did not find the error in the code. So we're going to paste the error message. And you see how we were missing context the first time. We just said the code didn't look right. Cursor's AI went through, looked at the code and said the syntax is correct, which the syntax was correct. The logic was wrong. So there's two types of troubleshooting you want to do. Syntax error, which there was nothing wrong with the syntax, but the logic was wrong. It caught the logic error. Hopefully we can accept the changes, and then we can try running the program again. Now it works.